Hello and welcome to the NFL Weekly Report, the Super Bowl, which means only one thing, that the NFL season is over, which is really upsetting. Despite the New England Patriots winning the Super Bowl, I have to say it was one of the best Super Bowls that I've seen in a long time. Sadly, Pete Carroll had a stroke on the sideline and called pass instead of run at the end of the game, which ended up having Butler picking off Russell Wilson to seal the victory for the Patriots. I will give it to the Patriots though. They fought and they fought and they fought. Even though I hate Tom Brady, he won the MVP and he deserved it, throwing 4 touchdowns and really gutting the Seattle Seahawks secondary. The offensive line blocked perfectly for Brady and he was able to curl them up. Garrett Blount also had a pretty nice day, but Tom Brady did it all. Brady is saying that he's planning to give his GMC red vehicle to Butler for winning them the game, but Tom Brady definitely deserved the MVP. I can only hope now that with 4 Super Bowl rings and at age 37, Tom Brady will retire and live out the rest of his life with his kids and his wife. Tom Brady will obviously be going to the Hall of Fame, and then hopefully he'll retire now, so in 5 years I can see him into the Hall of Fame and cry and bitch through the entire ceremony. I can't imagine real Seahawks fans, not the fake ones, how pissed off and just distraught they were that they didn't hand it off to Marshawn Lynch. I feel for you, Seattle. So congratulations, New England. Congratulations to the fans. Congratulations, Tom Brady. You deserved it this season. Hopefully the Patriots will be trashed next year though, but I don't see that realistically happening, even if Tom Brady leaves, because Bill Belichick is the best coach in NFL history. Well, that's it for this week, and that's it for a long time. Well, that's it for this week. Remember to like this video and subscribe. I'm the Jets fan, signing off.